What is up, everyone? It's Eddie Wingate here, and I'm just gonna update you guys what kind of parts I have on my bike and stuff. So, yeah, I'm gonna start from the top. Um, I have Shadow Conspiracy bar ends with ODI grips. I have Redline Pro Light handlebars with an 8.75 rise and 28 width. I have a salt stem. I have Redline Pro Light forks. It's tapered. It's very good actually. It's pretty light too. I have Alienation Monster front rim. I have a Redline hub. My friend just ordered a G Sport birdcage and a Shadow Raptor front hub. So I'm gonna be getting his old nitrous hub and Shadow axle, so that's gonna be pretty cool. I have the Rodyssey front tire. It's pretty good. It's very grippy. I would recommend it to you guys. I have the Tony Cardona frame S&M. It's very good. Someone else had this frame before me, and it has a little bit of dents, but it's not too major. This frame's actually good. I pretty like it. I mean, I like it a lot. What else? I have shadow chain with a fit. I put my fit sprocket back on. I did have a S&M Toughman 25 tooth. I have fit cranks with Odyssey PC pedals. I have FAC pivotal. What else? I have the Odyssey Hawk tire. This tire is also very good. I recommend it to you guys. I have Alienation Monster rim with the Monster back hub. So yeah, guys, that is my bike. I hope you guys like it. Please leave a like, comment, and maybe a subscribe. Alright guys, peace.